What is beauty? Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. It's a question of details and of particulars with the ability to stir our senses, our emotions. For Mapei, true beauty is represented by the enormous and extraordinary architectural heritage all around us. We were born in Italy, the country of art, of history, of architectural wonders that surprise you wherever you go. For more than 80 years, this beauty has been the inspiration behind every step we take, making us more expert and more skillful day after day. And in Italy, we have grown, opening our horizons to the entire world because beauty is universal and heritage of us all. For this profound and authentic passion, thanks to the support of our research and development laboratory, truly one of a kind, we have developed a complete range of products specific for the renovation, consolidation, and conservative restoration of historically important works of architecture. A team of passionate professionals working day in and day out, alongside always contractors, designers and restorers that tackle the delicate activities involving conservative restoration work with dedication and expertise. Preserving and protecting this immense heritage is only possible through the use of eco-compatible products that safeguard both the environments being treated and the teams carrying out the work. A winning choice that looks towards a more sustainable future. With passion, science and expertise. That's how Mapei operates on a daily basis, so that beauty really does become timeless and continues to shine for the benefit of future generations. Mapei. For more than 80 years, this beauty has been the inspiration behind every step we take.